Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll be talking about the Alien widget brought to you by Pixel Gallery add-on for Elementor. Alien is one of the minimalistic gallery widgets that add a color dodge effect to the gallery images when your visitors hover over them. Also, the widget applies a text animation effect to grab the attention of the onlookers. On your left, you'll find all the options to customize the widget interface. Starting with the grid template column, that control basically determines the structure of the interface. From the options, you can customize the row gap and column gap between the items. The item height scroll bar lets you customize the total height of all gallery items at the same time. Below, there is an item alignment option, then a masonry switcher to turn your gallery into masonry. The two switchers at the bottom are for showing or hiding the title and meta from the display. Clicking on the link option and selecting media file will pop two more options below. Here you can select yes for the lightbox and select only button as the link target will enforce a read more button on top of the images in the widget. Selecting whole item as the link target will instead make the item work as the lightbox button. Next, the items section is where you'll find all gallery items listed inside. Each box here represents an image item. You can add more by clicking the add item button or reduce the numbers by clicking the cross icons. Clicking on an item box will reveal the controls such as the image field. Click on the field and choose your gallery image. One image per item, of course. Also change the item title from right below. The grid subsection lets you customize the shape of each image on the canvas. Now let's finish changing the image and title of the rest of the items. Once you are done with the rest, the gallery will be completed and present you with the kind of image gallery you would like to show your visitors. If it still seems lacking, the Alien widget also lets you add entrance animation to the gallery. Just turning on the button will load the default animation instantly. From this point on, you need to calibrate all the controls to create your own entrance animation style. Let's turn it off for now and move to the Style tab. Now we'll change the appearance of the gallery with style options. From the first section here, let's select a gradient background type so we can add a gradient color to the gallery. As the image and the content part is covering up the background, so adjusting the border radius adjustment. After border radius adjustments, use padding to shrink down the item area. Then let's move to the content section. For the background color, let's make it transparent so the item background can show. Then you can leave similar values in the border radius and padding fields to evenly space the content. The titles are looking less visible though. Let's move to the title section and change the title color to white, and now it looks good. You can also tweak the typography settings to make changes to the font here. Next, from the meta subsection, switch the text color to white and then turn the opacity down. Then click on the typography option and start customizing the font settings. Now look at that, your image gallery is ready to entertain your guests. That's how you do it with the Alien Gallery widget. Hope this video helps. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorial videos. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.